Good morning. I hope everyone's having a great week. I wanted to talk about open houses and why people do open houses. If you are listing your property for sale, one thing I always like to do is have an open house right off the bat the first weekend, Saturday, Sunday. And my reasoning is that if anybody has any interest in that property, they may not be able to coordinate a time with their agent to come look at it, but if there's an open house, they can walk through it whenever it's convenient for them. And see it right away. Or they can ask their agent, can you go to the open house and check it out for me? Even if they're not super serious, that house may be everything to them and they have seen it and now they know that's what they want. It's a really great idea. I'm a big proponent of holding open houses initially. In this day and age where everyone is required, all buyers are required to sign a buyer-agent agreement, having an open house and having people come through provides feedback for the sellers, number one. I meet a lot of neighbors and I like that. A lot of people say, oh, only my neighbors come through the open house. I think it's a good thing. You hear a lot from your neighbors. You find out a lot about the neighborhood. I've met so many nice people with neighbors coming through who offer me a lot of positives about the neighborhood that maybe I didn't know about your particular neighborhood. So I love having neighbors come through the house. I think the biggest thing, you hear a lot too that it's a good way to get buyers for the agent. That's not my objective. When I do an open house, I'm there to sell your house. I want to note to everybody that walks through, here are all the positives. These are these great things about this house. Ask me any questions you have because I'm the most knowledgeable person about that house. I have talked to that seller over and over again. I've gotten a lot of information. Ask me anything. And if I don't know, I will ask the seller and find out for you. So I'm there to answer questions for them. And then I kind of let them walk around, see the different rooms, see the neighborhood, see the landscaping, see the house, and ask about how old the roof is. How old is the furnace? Does it have central air? Things along that line. So open houses are a great way to get a lot of people through. And hopefully you'll appeal to a lot of people that way. If you are not having an open house, you are limiting the number of potential buyers, and you're also limiting that person who may say, that's the one. I didn't know I wanted to move until I saw this house. So I always think open houses are a great thing. If you're having a concern about it, my recommendation always is to lock up all your valuables in an open house. I can't be everywhere with everybody all the time. And I do ask people to sign in so that I have a record of that. But for the most part, I've been very lucky, knock on wood, that we've had nothing but great people through open houses and have sold a lot of properties that way. So if you have any questions about open houses, if you have concerns about them, if you just don't want one, that's fine too. I'm totally open to whatever the seller wants. It's their home. They can do with it as they wish. I'm just there to help facilitate a great sale. That's it from me. Have a great week, everybody.